The Mayas. The men of the cosmos. In these videos, we're going to tell you what is written in the original source of the Maya prophecies. Everybody fears the assumed end of the world at December 22 of 2012. The problem is because the end of the Maya Katun cycle comes in an overpopulated world with huge environment pollution and the most higher war power ever seen in man history. All the world is scared because the 2012. However, the truth is that the long count of the Maya cycle started with its influence in 1829, and this influence will end in 2223. Yes, the Maya method to count the time is to divide it in cycles of days, and each cycle is called Katun, who overlaps the previous and the rear cycle, and so on with bigger and smaller cycles. We must understand that the Maya cycles of time are long terms of time. Nothing is going to happen in 2012. There is nothing to be worried. The last Katun has already started in 1829, and its influence is increasing while it approaches to his center in 2026. Then it will slowly decrease till 2223. Let's take a look on the ones who had born close to the beginning of the Katun, telling us the rhythm of all the cycle and what do they did for humankind. Nicholas II of Russia, born in 1868. Wilhelm II of Germany, born in 1859. Franz Joseph I of Austria, born in 1830. George V of England, born in 1865. These men are the key and the principal architects of the World War I. In 1914, the Archduke Franz Ferdinand is assassinated and becomes the trigger to start the war. But it is required more men to help the warrior leaders. The priest of the solar cult starts his book and says, "In this Katun 8 Ahau, Mayapan was depopulated. Lahun Chablais stand the scaly leaf, who is the settling of the 8 Ahau. Amaiteka will is the face that reigns in its breath and in its water. Sadness will be. Kawil is a corner, means one of the corners of the world. Remember that the World War I was mostly fought in Europe. Amaite is the face who reigns, describes with no doubt the emperors of that corner of the world, which is Europe, men who rule their citizens and the economy of their regions. But millions are needed to make possible the World War I. These people, born influenced by the 8 Ahau, men who marched, smiling and singing to their own death, men who blindly obey their leaders, which ones never step in the front. Millions get killed for the ambition of these 4 men. Can you see it? The prophecy fulfills exactly. There is no doubt. Clear like a crystal. The prophecy describes the World War I. The next wave of influence, of energy, of the Khatun 8 Ahau began in 1888. But now is different. The solar priest announced the arrival of the solar men.